Most professional athletes are paid much more than doctors. An article from the New York Times Upfront published in 2019 said, "Does it make any sense that someone who throws a football for a living is paid more than 700 times as much as someone who helps save people's lives?" The 59% of Americans who say they are sports fans, according to Jeffrey Jones in 2019, may think that these athletes deserve pays that average in the millions. But the 41% of Americans who are not sports fans may think that we could do without televised sports. If all of the healthcare professionals in the world disappeared, there would be no primary healthcare providers to attend the 75% of Americans who have one, according to Amy Norton in 2019. There would be no emergency room doctors and nurses to save the lives of the 18% of Americans who visit there every year, according to Rachel Rettner in 2016. On the contrary, no one would die if all of the professional athletes in the world disappeared. Though both professional athletes and healthcare professionals dedicate years of training to establish their careers, good doctors and nurses are in higher demand, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics in 2020. Our aging population needs healthcare support more than sports entertainment, so the salaries of both professions should reflect that.